Good day to our future principals. This is Bruno TV, and I'm here to give you some tips regarding the NCASH 2024 examination. Our topic for today, we will talk about Philippine Public School Teachers, Domain 2. Again, for every question, I will give you 5 seconds to answer. Without further ado, let us start now. For question number 1, what is the main focus of PPST Domain 2? Letter A, creating a positive and inclusive learning environment. Letter B, implementing technology in the classroom. Letter C, assessing student performance. Letter D, developing curriculum materials. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter A. Creating a positive and inclusive learning environment. For question number 2, what does a positive learning environment promote? Letter A, student engagement and motivation. Letter B, teacher authority and control. Letter C, competition among students. Letter D, rote memorization. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter A, student engagement and motivation. Before we proceed to our next question, please don't forget to subscribe Bruno TV. Our next video is we will talk about Philippine Public School of School Heads Domain 2, Managing School Operations and Resources. Thank you. For question number 3, which of the following is important in establishing a positive learning environment? Letter A, clear expectations and rules. Letter B, strict discipline and punishment. Letter C, memorization of facts and information. Letter D, teacher-centered instruction. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter A, clear expectations and rules. For question number 4, what does PPST Domain 2 emphasize in terms of classroom management? Letter A, building positive relationships with students. Letter B, maintaining strict discipline and control. Letter C, focusing solely on academic achievement. Letter D, ignoring individual student needs. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is Letter A. Building positive relationship with students. For question number 5, which strand in Domain 2 focuses on creating a safe and conducive learning environment? Letter A. Strand 2.1. Letter B. Strand 2.2. Letter C. Strand 2.3. Letter D. Strand 2.4. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter A. Strand 2.1. For question number 6, what is the role of teachers in PPST Domain 2? Letter A. Ensuring students' academic success. Letter B. Promoting a positive and inclusive classroom culture. Letter C. Encouraging competition among students. Letter D. Focusing on content delivery only. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter B. Promoting a positive and inclusive classroom culture. For question number 7, which strand in Domain 2 focuses on managing and organizing the physical learning environment? Letter A. Strand 2.2. Letter B. Strand 2.3. Letter C. Strand 2.4. Letter D. Strand 2.5. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter A. Strand 2.2. For question number 8, which strand in Domain 2 focuses on establishing rapport with students and their families? Letter A. Strand 2.3. Letter B. Strand 2.4. Letter C. Strand 2.5. Letter D. Strand 2.6. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter A. Strand 2.3. For question number 9, what does PPST Domain 2 emphasize in terms of student well-being? Letter A. Meeting individual student needs. Letter B. Ignoring students' emotional and social development. Letter C. Focusing solely on academic achievement. Letter D. Implementing rigid discipline policies. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter A. meeting individual student needs. For question number 10, what is the goal of PPST Domain 2? Letter A, to establish a competitive learning environment. Letter B, to enhance classroom management skills. Letter C, to decrease student engagement and motivation. Letter D, to standardize classroom rules and procedures. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. The correct answer is letter B, to enhance classroom management skills.